Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Today I have come with the new topic and the new activity class. In this activity class, we are going to learn how to speak in front of people and how to show our confidence and how to maintain stage while speaking. I have seen so many students when they start speaking in front of people, they starting feeling stress, hesitation and low confidence. So today you are going to learn how to maintain this kind of things, how to maintain the situation, stressful situation front of public. Because this is very important. In the future, when you will go speak front of public without preparation, without knowing about topic, so definitely you are going to feel hesitation and stress. So today I will tell you how to maintain stressful situation because this is a very tough situation to go and speak front of public without any preparation. So you will have to come and speak over here and I will ask about topic, then you will speak about your topic. So try to speak nicely, try to show your energy, try to show your dedication, try to show your motivation. This is very important because I believe, and most important things, try to show your body gesture and posture, try to show your eye contact while speaking. Just try to make eye contact with your classmate because when we are going to speak front of public, if you make eye contact with your classmate, so that things give you confidence. Got it? Agitation. So I will ask suddenly question, and in this activity class you will have to speak suddenly. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I don't want to mention any name. One by one, you will have to come and speak about your topic. So who will come first?
Good evening, everyone. Why are we here stand? No, don't worry, guys. I am here because I have come very important discussion. Discussion is sports. Sports meaning is dictionary. Sports is very important in your life. Sports is very important in your life. Does not matter you lose and you win. Does not matter. Guys, game is make a health, good health. Sport is very important. Does not matter you lose and win. Matter is you play a game. Every people, every people say, I am lost and why are we playing game? No, loss is too better comparison of game because loss to understanding you and thinking you what is importance of loss and what is importance of win. Loss is too good of me because I know what is importance of loss because I was player child. I was player child. I am player basketball player, cricket player, and kho player, kabaddi player, and runner. I have many certificates. I have many medals. But I present time no I am player because my house condition is very poor and my religion say me and my parents say girls no player sports, no player game. Why girls not play? Because girls is too better comparison of boy like Mary Kom, PT Usha, that is etc. Guys, your parents gives a time. You play a game. Don't miss your time. I am very bad lucky because I don't play a game. I am very bad lucky. My dream is I am big player. My dream is I big player, but my house condition, my religions are not allow. Why are we playing game? Always we saying, why are you playing? Game is too good in your life and your health. That's all about my game, and thank you so much, everyone.
She spoke very nice about importance of game and types of game, and she also mentioned become a good player. It was her dream, but because of family problem, because of religion problem, she couldn't. We can say at this time importance of game. Our intention is not only to become a good player. Our intention should be to represent our country on the international level, to make proud our family, to make proud our society, to make proud of our nation. This is very important. In the last activity class, I saw your confidence, your energy, not better, but today you are looking very eager and energetic. So I hope you will learn very quickly, because learning on new things, just we need to motivate in ourselves and to give our 100%. So guys, you are doing, I hope definitely after a week you can speak very nice, because who will come.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell about something importance of sports. Sports are two types: outdoor and indoor. Outdoor game we play open area, indoor game we are playing closed area. Game is a vital because they promote both physical health through activity and mental health by improving focus. My favorite game is badminton because badminton is very good game. We are playing badminton, me and my friend. Badminton improving health, physical, muscles, and energetic game. Badminton is very good playing for other. We are playing badminton to open area who play two and four peoples. Badminton are very important because they improve health, physical health, mental health, and etc. मेरे हर मूव में है तेवर, मेरे हर शॉट में है आग. बैडमिंटन बस खेल नहीं, मेरे जीने का है अंदाज. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
She told you importance of game and her favorite game. What was her favorite game? Badminton. Okay, so do you also play badminton? Okay, I think we should play game, any kind of game, because game keep us healthy and fit. And we also know that when we play game, so we can focus on that. There are so many advantages of game. You should play, and we should learn from the game how to maintain the focus while playing game. And we have also seen so many players, they are playing cricket, they are playing football, they are playing their game according to their choice. So they are also maintain their fitness, their health, and they are also earning good money. So she is going to tell you importance of game and types of game and what is her favorite game. So just try to listen very carefully, because she is very energetic, she is very motivated in herself. The way she speaks, that is very nice. So try to listen to her very carefully and try to ask few questions in the last in her speech. Okay, are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can speak.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will stand here to tell about something important of sport. Sports is important in India. Find its enduring in the symbol of Major Dhyan Chand birth and anniversary on 28 August. In this day, celebrate National Sport Day. Sports is a physical activities or games after confident and organized that maintain your health and ability to sell. Why is important of game? Daily sports daily in the life are important because improving physical and mental health through exercise and initial life skills like leadership, teamwork, and discipline and time management. That's also uh, that's also improving your focused and your mental health. Cricket is a bat and ball games. In this game, two teams and 11 players. This is my favorite game because in this game I very enjoyed and playing with is energy full with my friends. And in this game every Sunday I will go at my near home one field KPS. I playing cricket. Thank you. That's all about my